Hello, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, we are trying to conduct an investigation on IPA file. So that's specifically designed for iOS application. In here, we have app scores, file information, app information, binary information, and in here we have a security score, tracker detection, file name, size, hashes, app name, app type, identifier, SDK name, version, mini OS version, spotted platform, architectures, sub-architectures, and beat. So actually we can just try to copy it and open the VirusTotal over here and just trying to paste the hash CO, so it's not a submitted already to a VirusTotal. And here, of course, you can try to find another information about the sample actually. I mean the reset sample. You can just trying to here we have App Store information. Actually, it's a look like a Chinese, but when you came to a scan option, you can just try to dynamic analysis. Using that's a different. So you can download IPA view PS list, process list, view classes dump here. Let's try to see. So actually, I believe that's a PS list over here. Just trying to view. You can see like this, primary icons and other stuffs. Okay, you can just try to read it and get some information about it. Some string, maybe some string is appear be suspicious actually or not. Okay, and trying to view the classes dom.txt over here. Classes, no, it's not available, but URL schema. So only we have a 2.com Mikate touchstock CBS editor. Okay, I don't know what is it, but in the permission, let's try to click a permission. In here we have some suspicious permission. NS Bluetooth PIFA prices description, access Bluetooth interface, access calendars, access camera contacts, location. Use location information when in app is in foreground. I mean in the behind the scenes. Access Microsoft microphone. Sorry, not Microsoft. Access the user. Photo libraries, allow send use data to Apple speech recognition server, maybe for Siri. Click security on transport security. I mean, though actually it's a vulnerable in some way. Yeah, binary code analysis in here. Insecure API. You can just try to click here and read it actually. No, it's for disabling, sorry, but actually the binary may contains a following Esperant F, so that's one is vulnerable. Scanner F and CPI string length and so on is a C. So actually binary make use the insecure random function over here, so you can try to search for specific CWE and read the information about it from common weakness enumeration in this year. You can just read the information, of course. And binary make use of a malloc function, so dynamically allocated the memory with view component. Okay, and you can just try to open a OWASP FS, and we'll try to check it out in a next video, inshallah. We have a binary analysis, some encryption like IRC, code signatures, encrypted, stack canary, symbols, and so on. So actually, I'm not familiar with the iOS application structure, but it could be contain some information, and you can try to analyze it. This one also, but maybe it takes some times. Yes. Yeah, you can read the information over here. File analysis. App talks to Firebase database. App talks to Firebase database is the just information. That's a SQLite. If you click it, extension is not supported. So malware analysis, malware lookup. So it have servers from different location. United Kingdom, Germany, Taiwan. Yeah, and it contain maybe URL, IP address, some IP address, some string, some images, resources, some trackers, string is. Let's try to domain check. it's a for, yeah, it's a based on this URL, and here some URL is available, but extension is not supported to view the code. So do some reconnaissance. URL here, emails. Actually, it's not an email, but because of this ad, it's some bugs, I believe. Yeah, it's a bugs. Hardcode secrets over here. Key IO, IPI key over here. String is okay. You can just try to read this information files. You can just try to see the files actually, and of course the libraries. This libraries has been used in this application. You can take a journey and start reading it. File, and of course PDF report. You can have a report about the sample and start conducting investigation. So yeah, so actually there are some application have some permission, but this script is trying to score it as a malicious. Click to the research. Okay, we got it's not for IPA, but I will try to get another application that's related to IPA. So I will purple up look.ipa and conduct investigation and try to scan through VirusTotal, but let's try to see what is this. Okay, just trying to view report. Score detection is a 36 actually, and detection nothing. Blocked IPA and some other information. You can read it. So you can just try to view info list to get information about it. Okay, so and maybe you can try to scan the logos, generating hashtag and so on. Good. And you can try to view classes dump. Again, it's not available. You can try to download the IPA. In permission, there are no permission. Well, let's try to manual lookup. And we have one server location in United States, Virginia. Domains. So there's some domains is available actually. Reconnaissance, emails, trackers, hardcode, stubs, and strings. So actually this sample doesn't contain a relevant information that's available for I mean that's be good for our analysis. Back to the VirusTotal. Actually it's just a communication score. It doesn't look like a malware, but let's try to find something else. I mean I have to find something good to be to have a wide vision for analyzing a sample. One stuff that may be useful for our investigation, this one, and please click OK. Okay, we will wait for a while until it's trying to unzipping it and start conducting. Okay, so actually view report, detection, security core. Again, you have file information, some metadata, maybe view PS list to get some another information requires some stuffs. Maybe you can just try to read and hypothesis investigation sometimes could be useful. There are no permission, transport security, some binary analysis, some other information about DLE framework, file analysis, info PS list. Again, in here we have some information, launch screen, Apple package name is IPL, and other stuff is. We can just try to some recon. You find any kind of URL that available, any suspicious URL. No, it's all is Apple. Trying to find emails, trackers, hardcoded strings. No, it's not available actually. Any hardcoded string files. So actually some files is available over here. Again, you can just try to PDF report or print the report. So actually the spywares and the Trojan for iOS is some kind of unlimited, but you can find it if you some curious. Again, we have a server from United Kingdom and from United States of America, and that's apple.com, nothing more. Okay, so that's all for this video, and bye bye.